as I said that if the coalition partners feel that, then let the high command of the BJP send the message that they don't support the government. So as long as the leadership of the BJP does not write, there will be people talking. There could be so many members talking, people who are not even part of the governance process in any way. So those are there, but I don't think I need to comment or react on comments made by these individuals.
So
that's his opinion. You'll have to ask the 38 lakh people of the state to find out the facts in that. And I think statements like these, political statements, will be made. Elections are coming, so they have to find one or two reasons to say something, which is fine. I mean, it's okay with me. I have no problem in him making those statements. But we have been working very hard and committedly. Our numbers and the different kind of works that we have taken forward, different kind of issues that we have taken up, speak for itself. So I'm not here to talk about what work we have done and all these things. It's for the people to judge. But as I said, the LO is at liberty to make political statements. I have no response to those.